Bangladesh Tour of UAE 2025. Second T20 at Sharjah Cricket Stadium, Sharjah. United Arab Emirates won the toss, elected to field first. Bangladesh 20 overs, 205 runs, lost by 5 wickets. Tanjid Hassan is the highest scorer, 59 runs, 33 balls. Then United Arab Emirates team best bowling spell, Jawadullah 4 overs, no maiden, 45 runs, 3 wickets taken. United Arab Emirates team 19.5 overs, 205 runs chase, lost by 8 wickets. Mohammad Wasim is the highest scorer, 42 balls, 82 runs. Then Bangladesh team best bowling spell, Rishad Hossain 4 overs, no maiden, 28 runs, 2 wickets taken. United Arab Emirates team won by 2 wickets in this match. Player of the match, Mohammad Wasim. Congratulations, United Arab Emirates team. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Third and final T20 tomorrow, Bangladesh time 9 p.m. That's it.